Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the network visible and the file ready. First, enable network discovery and file sharing so devices can see each other. Next, confirm both machines are on the same network or Wi-Fi SSID. Without that, nothing will connect. Then find the file you want to share, right-click it, and open Properties, then the Sharing tab. Once opened, start the Share or Advanced Sharing dialog to expose the file to other users on your network. Once in the Sharing dialog, choose Advanced Sharing to control how the file appears and how many people can access it at once. You set a share name and limit concurrent users if needed. Make sure to click Permissions and give appropriate rights. Read for view only, change to allow edits, or full control to manage the file. If you prefer tighter security, add a specific Microsoft account or local user instead of everyone, and Windows will enforce those credentials when someone connects. You finish by testing access from the other device. Open File Explorer and enter / your PC name / share name or map a network drive for convenience. If access fails, make sure the Windows firewall allows file and printer sharing and that your network profile is set to private so discovery works. Also verify login credentials. You might need the sharing PC's username and password. If it still fails, double-check share permissions, the folder path, and that both machines are in the same workgroup to rule out compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.